Hey everybody. So yeah, that's the airbrush paint booth I got making all that noise. But the reason for the video is finally hit 100 subscribers. And I'm just over 100 now. Looks like it's going to stay that way for a while. So in order to celebrate that, I thought I'd do a little giveaway. And the giveaway is stickers. So these are just some stickers I had made a while back. I had some made for Andy Mecha and some for Aaron. From Tamarian by Aaron, which I haven't had a chance to get out to them by mail, so that's going to happen this week, finally, after about a month. But I did make some stickers for my channel, and some of them are kind of cool. So I figured, alright, well, I'll give a sticker to the first person that comments on this video, and the next person that subscribes will get one as well. So we'll say one of these for the next person that answers this video and leaves a comment. Just send me your address via email at botstobeast@gmail.com, and I will send this out to you. And if you are a new subscriber, like I've got 103 now, so if you're a subscriber of 104, you get this one. Yes, I get a sticker from Boss to Beast. It will be mine. It will be mine. You get a sticker. I don't know where that song is. I have no idea. You probably can barely hear me because of this. Anywho, so there you go. There's a sticker giveaway. Who knows? Maybe in the future I will give away more stickers to deserving young people with creative minds and excellent taste in videos. All right, and of course, you know, these guys are getting theirs for free because I made them, and I haven't sent them, and I said I was, and I haven't, but there they are. Yeah. Anyhow, short video. Talk to you guys later. I'll be sending out some more stuff tomorrow. Bye.